I hope you're doing good, because I'm doing wonderful. Before we get right to this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my last video. If you have not, pause this video, go back to Wednesday's video. The video of me trying to help everyone with their mind to keep peace, guys, just peace. But so yeah, if you're interested in that, need a little help or whatever, you can take some tips from me. It's a really good video. Today is pretty much, as y'all see the title, we're gonna try to make, you know, Tabitha Brown's, you know, vegan bacon, honey. We're gonna try that. I'm also gonna put little clips in here, just like my daily, what I'm eating today, because I've been told, well, I've been asked to, they want to see what I eat on a daily, but I don't eat the same thing daily. The only thing that's like the same is literally my breakfast. But actually today is a little different. I just eat whatever I just have a taste for. So I'm about to show y'all what I'm going to eat for breakfast. I probably won't talk too much in this video until I start making the bacon. the second batch. It looks so much better. I should have just left it alone the first time, so for sure 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to try it real quick while I'm on the thing with y'all. So, oh, y'all hear that? Ah, crunchy like Tabitha's, huh? Okay. Not bad. Not bad for substituting all the stuff, well, some of the stuff that she did. I would say this is a nice snack. I would do this again because I need to get my vegetables in anyway, so, and I be struggling with that anyway, so I think I probably make some more. Not today, but maybe tomorrow or something, because I do have a whole bag of carrots. And so that's gonna be my snack, well, my side dish, I guess, with my lunch that I'm gonna have. So I'm in the middle of work, y'all know how that goes, but yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I was gonna record all the food that I eat, but that's just a gist of how I kind of start off of eating. But if I decide to add more, then I will. But you know, this should be good enough, right? Because y'all came to see the Tabitha recipe. I mean, come on now. But yeah, I would give it a thumbs up. I would give it a 7, because first of all, I don't even like carrots anyways, especially not cooked carrots. So I give it a 7. It's not bad. But yeah, I hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comments if you decided to try it. Let me know if you decided to do different use different things like I did. But yeah, let me eat before my food get cold. See y'all.